Hello guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about order of operations or what you call as BODMAS. What are operations? Operations means things like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squaring, etc. If it isn't a number, it is probably an operation. But when you see something like this, what part should you calculate first? Start at the left and go to the right, or go from right to left. Warning: calculate them in the wrong order and you can get a wrong answer. So, long ago, people agreed to follow the rules when doing calculations. And they are order of operations. So in the order of operations, the first priority goes to the brackets. So if there are any problems which you got have brackets in them, you have to do the operation inside the brackets first, because brackets come first over anything else. Let us give you an example. What is 4 into 5 plus 3 written like this? Always remember brackets first. So 5 plus 3 you get 8, then multiply it by 4, you get the answer 32. Some people make mistakes like this. They get the answer as 23. How did they get 23, right? Because they did not follow the order of operations and they just went from left to right. Don't go from left to right. In mathematics, it is very wrong. You have to follow the order of operations. Now, let's move on to the next operation, which is prioritized after brackets. That is exponents or order. So what are exponents or orders? They are powers or roots of a number, and they come way before multiplication, division, addition or subtraction after brackets. So the second priority goes to exponents. Let us take an example to prove you that. What is 5 into 2 square? The answer is 20. How I got it? You have to prioritize exponents before multiplication. So in this case, 2 square is the exponent here and you have to do that operation first. So your question becomes 5 into 2 square to 5 into 4. So the answer becomes 20. Some people make mistakes like this. They go from left to right and they get the answer 100. Silly, right? They did the multiplication first. That is 5 into 2, then squared it. So the answer became 100. You should never do that, because always remember to follow the order of operation. If you understood this concept, let's move on to the next priority. That is multiplication or division. So the fourth priority after exponents goes to multiplication and division. They both share the same rank. Let us take an example for the priority of multiplication and division. What is 2 plus 5 into 3? The answer becomes 2 plus 15, which is 17. How I did it? I took the multiplication into priority before addition. So I multiplied 5 and 3 first, then added 2 after that. So you get the answer 17. Some people goes from left to right and get the answer 21. Like 2 plus 5 is 7 and 7 into 3 is 21. That is always wrong. You have to remember that in your mind before doing the calculation. Always follow the order of operations. Now let's take another example. What is 30 divided by 5 into 3? The answer is 6 into 3, which is 18. How? Since they share the same rank, that is multiplication and division share the same rank, if there is a problem or a question like this, you always have to go from left to right, because they share the same rank. And you should not do it like this. If it is 30 by 5 into 3, you do 30 by 15, you get the answer 2, and that is wrong. Whenever there is a combination of multiplication and division in the same line or in a consecutive order, what you have to do is always go from left to right, because they share the same rank. Not doing multiplication first, then division second. Not like that. Always have to follow from left to right if there are consecutive operations of the same rank. Now that you understood the order of operations for brackets, orders, division and multiplication, the only things that remains are addition and subtractions. And yes, they are the least ranked operations inside the order of operation. So you have to remember that whenever the addition and subtractions come inside a series of operations, you have to consider it the last. And remember to take the operations inside a bracket first, because bracket comes first. So I hope you understood the concept of BODMAS. Now that you understood the concept of order of operations, you can easily calculate any problems with this method, and without even getting a single thing wrong in your answer. Now, how do I remember it all? The order of operations. The answer is simple. You just have to remember BODMAS. What is BODMAS? It is just the arranged order of operations. B stands for brackets, that means brackets comes first. O stands for orders, so powers and square roots comes seconds. DM stands for division and multiplication, so division and multiplications comes the third. And AS stands for addition and subtractions, so addition and subtractions comes the last. So I hope you understood the concept of BODMAS and order of operations. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press that bell icon for more notifications. Until next time, bye.